which brings us to the monthly base, so once in 4 weeks. So what do we do once in 4 weeks? What do you actually do, Simon?
Mostly for our agency, like we on a monthly basis, what we do is we look at what we like to review is keywords that kind of stop performing. I think it's really important to see that, review keywords where you were getting lots of sales and then it kind of dropped off. And then, what happened there? Why did that happen? And sometimes it just happens because maybe you lowered the bid a little bit too much. And then you might decide that, no, this was a really important keyword for me. So I'm actually going to come back and I'm going to bring it back up or bring it back in and restructure it into a new campaign, try to relaunch that keyword. And I think that's a really important process. Also, restructuring your campaigns. So one of the things that we strongly believe in, and I think that's a widely accepted method now in 2022, is setting up single keyword campaigns. So a lot of people might have campaigns that they've dumped keywords into. We call that keyword dumping, where they've put like 20 keywords into one campaign. And what you'll find is that the top 3 or 4 keywords will perform really well, but then the other 15 or 16 just kind of drop off, and you're like, these are really great keywords. Like, why am I not getting anything here? So what you want to do is maybe do restructuring, cleaning up house once a month and getting them into single keyword campaigns, relaunching them. And also another thing that I think is really important to do every month is revisiting your negative keywords. And that's like, we talked about the keyword leaders doing that on a weekly basis, but you might actually want to decide to take those negative keywords and put them into all of your campaigns. So not just the campaign in which you found that keyword where it was bleeding, but then taking all those keywords and putting them across all of your campaigns to make sure that they don't show up in other campaigns as well, in your other auto campaigns and your other phrase campaign or broad campaigns. So that's kind of like our monthly process there. So we believe it's, once again, seeing if anything stopped working, getting it to start working again, restructuring your campaigns, and then adding negative exact. So those are the 3 main things that we believe are very important to check in on and clean house on once a month.